Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm going to show you this Caucasus chips, which is by brand Frixx, and the flavor is Adjia. I think it's kind of chili, as you can see over here, chili with some coriander leaves, and the potato is mentioned over here. These are potato chips. Nutritional information are mentioned over here, and all the website of this product and all. Let's not wait for much and open it and let you show how it looks like and how it tastes. So this is how it looks like. It has some sort of reddish color to it with a touch of potato. I'd say it's not that spicy. It's good to go, and I love it. Thank you.